Hello and welcome back. Unlocking the Chamber Business Hub. This will be your step-by-step guide to navigating Laikipia's premier marketing platform. We want you to discover, to connect, and explore with ease. First, you want to start with the search function. When you utilize the search function, it will allow you to swiftly locate specific businesses tailored to your needs. With categories like hospitality, consultancy services, real estate, finding what you're looking for has never been easier. When you scroll down, you will notice that the business listings then are categorized as I mentioned. Discover Laikipia allows you to uncover all the listings with their respective categories and subcategories. So once you click on Discover Laikipia, you will then be able to narrow down your search by exploring categories and subcategories that pique your interest.